Somebody's happy tonight. Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Roy back again. Long time no see, no talk, no hear. Let's get right to this. This is just a quickie. Tonight we're going to take the Bendini oscillator and we're going to go into this NST. This is a 15,000 volt NST 30 milliamp. Unlike my 15,000 volt over there, it's a 60 milliamp. We're only going to use one side because only one side of this one works. This side blew out a long time ago. So that's 7,500. Here's the ground coming off the ground and coming off of the hot. This is how this is wired. I got 2 car batteries going together to make 24 volts. We're coming off the hot and going at the one side of the NST. Coming out of the other side of the NST and we're going into the coil. Okay? Coming out of the coil and we're going to one side of the contact. Coming out of the other side of the contact, going back to the battery. So between the battery, NST, and the oscillator, we're going to have a circuit there. And then coming out of the NST, this is where the Tesla part comes. On the hot side, we're coming out to one leg of these 1 nanofarad each capacitor. These are 15,000 volts. Nope, these are even better. These are 21 kV and they are 1.5 nanofarads a piece. So we got 4.5 nanofarads. So we're coming off the hot side on the NST into one leg. We're coming out of the leg, hot leg of the capacitor into a spark gap. And we're coming out of the spark gap into the start of this primary. Coming out of the other end of the primary, and we are going to the other end of the capacitor bank and on back to the negative side. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Vinny, you got to go. Go. Watch my finger. See a spark coming off my finger? Also, I have put the light back on. I have a little LED on. There it is. A little LED with a germanium dioide. Don't want that to touch anything. And I got a little antenna on it. And you can see all I can do is put my finger on it. And it lights up. Hard to do with the phone. Let's go ahead and turn the light off. And you'll see LED lighting up. In my hand, wirelessly from down there. LED lighting up. Also, I can come all the way over here. There's little, you see that little node? It got bright. Fades out a little bit. It's staying bright. I'm all the way out here. Pretty good wireless for an oscillator, car battery, going into an AC transformer, which it's DC poles now, going into my primary, secondary with a top load. Let's see if I put this over towards the wheel. You can see the wheel start to Get a little thing going there. Now we should be able to see the pulse. That's crazy. Look how far away from that transmitter I am. Wireless. Wireless Bendini. Look at that thing spinning. Cray cray. Cray cray, cray cray cray, cray cray. I got shocked a couple times from this yesterday. Yep. Yeah, buddy. That's all I gotta say is, yeah, buddy. That's not good. All right, guys. Leave your comments. I'll be back.